Want to know how successful people think? What if I told you there are 8 simple steps that can change your life forever? Keep watching and I'll show you how to unlock your true potential. Start with a clear goal. Success doesn't happen by accident. Every successful person has a clear goal in life. Without a goal, it's like traveling without a destination. So, the first step towards success is having a clear dream. What do you want to achieve? You don't have to be specific right away, but it's important to have an idea of what kind of life you want to live. For example, do you want to succeed in your career, achieve financial freedom, or perhaps inspire others? This is the second one, focus on preparation. As they say, success is when preparation meets opportunity. Dreams alone are not enough. You need to prepare for them, learn new skills, invest in yourself, have discipline in planning and taking action. These are the things that most people don't see. But true success begins with the unseen effort you put in every day. This is the third one. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Defeats are not failures. They are part of the process. True failure happens when you stop learning from your mistakes. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Don't use defeats as a reason to quit. Defeats are lessons that will bring you closer to your goal. As Michael Jordan once said, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." This is the fourth. Continuous improvement and change. Success doesn't end with just one step. There is always room for improvement. It's not just the first step that matters. It's the continuous improvement in every aspect of your life. What are the things you can change or improve about yourself? If you want to succeed, you must keep learning, experimenting, and striving to become better in every aspect of life. This is the fifth one, the power of patience and consistency. Success is not instant. It requires patience and, above all, consistency. If you don't have the discipline to take steps every day, you won't achieve the success you desire. Think of it like planting a tree. You won't see the fruit right away, but you water and care for it every day. When the right time comes, you will see the fruits of your hard work. This is the sixth one. Surround yourself with the right people. The people around you have a huge impact on your success. If you constantly surround yourself with negative people, it will be hard for you to achieve success. Choose to interact with people who will inspire you. Look for mentors who can help you grow. Find companions on your journey who will push you to be your best. Here is the seventh. Trust yourself and the process. Many people stop before they even start due to fear or self-doubt. When you set a goal, you need to believe that you can achieve it. You don't need to know every detail from the beginning as long as you trust your abilities and the process of life. Remember, not all success happens immediately. You need to trust each step you take, even if those steps come with doubts. What matters is that you keep going. And this is the last one. Having compassion and giving. True success is not really success if it doesn't help others. With every step you take towards your dream, ask yourself, how can I help others? True success is not just about personal gain, but about how you can use your knowledge and achievements to inspire and help others. So, if you want to succeed, just remember these steps. Have a clear goal. Focus on preparation. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep improving. Be patient and consistent. Surround yourself with the right people. Trust yourself and the process. Give to others. Always remember, the path to success is not easy, but if you are willing to work hard, make sacrifices, and trust the process, you will surely reach your dream. Success is a journey, not a destination. So keep going. And one day, you too will become an inspiration to others. Before I end this video, I'd like to ask you, what step will you take now to succeed? Don't hesitate to start, because the next success waiting for you can begin right now while you're watching this video. If you learned even one thing from this video and would like to hear more tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be part of our journey to success. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this video has served as a guide for you.